Aloha folks, welcome to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. I got some three great stocks for you. You definitely want to sit back, enjoy the video. As always, please remember this is not a financial advice. This is just me sharing. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I suggest that you hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit that like button too. I do a lot of these stock reviews of companies, whether it is dividends, growth stocks, or even penny stocks. So you definitely don't want to miss out on some of the hidden gems that I have been uncovering, as well as other people in the community. I want you to join my little community of Ohana of investors as we together invest into the stock market and make some money. Let's take a look at this company. First one on the list is Resolute. The ticker symbol is RFP. It manufactures a diverse range of forest products, including newsprints, commercial printing press, word products, and all those jazz. So you can see they do like mark and pulp, tissue, wood products, paper calculations. Definitely something for you to check a look at. Very interesting company. Now, if we look at tip ranks based on their price analysis at the time of this video, it was $10. Their price target was about $9, with the 12-month forecast of high of the 11, the average of 9, and the low of 8. They also did a rating. Based on their rating, it's a moderate buy. Two of them was a buy and one was a hold. Now, if we go to CNN Business, we can also look at what their stock price forecast is. Their forecast is at about the 11 in the high, the 10 in the medium, and then the 8 in the bottom. Now, if we look at the analysis recommendations, we can see two of them was a buy, one was a hold, and one was a sell. So if we look down, reporting period is going to be May 6th, so you definitely want to put that in your watch list if this is something you're interested. Now, let's take a look at the top institutional holdings for this company. At September 29, 2020, it was 119. So the top one is Fairfax Financial Holdings. They bought about 30 million shares at about September 29, 2020. And then you kind of look around and see one of the ones I always look at is Vanguard Group, bought about 2 million, and I could see BlackRock also bought about 1 million. So if you look down, all of these guys bought at least 1 million of it. So that's something to kind of consider. Now, if we look at Webull, it was about 170 with 7 increase. 2 of them were 9 positions and 25 decrease. So now if we look down to the price target, they also have the similar price targets of 11 with 10 in the middle and 8 at the end. Again, I said currently it's about $10. We look at their analysis. 4 of them say it is currently a hold. So let's take a look at that. So now, if you are ready to start your investing journey, you definitely want to hit that hit that link in the comment section. I do a lot of these kinds of videos. So if you're ready to start your investing journey, definitely hit that link. When you deposit at least $100, you get a stock and I get a stock. What better way to start your investing journey with free stocks? All right. So hopefully you take advantage of that. Now let's take a look at some of the key statistics for Resolute. As you can see, return on equity is 4%. Return on assets is 1%. If you look at the growth, 1-year return is 232. 3-year return is about 27. 5-year return is about 158. So now if we look at the chart, if we're looking at a 3-month chart, as you can see, look how beautiful this chart is. It is going on an upward trend. It has hit the 20 average. The red is the 20, the blue is the 50. As you can see, it hit it on about $7.71, hit again at $7.76, and then 785, and then it just shot up. Now if you look at the volume is pretty steady. MACD has crossed over, so it looked like it's going on an upward trend this way, and then you could see the Rizzo is in a good position. I'm definitely bullish about this. I think this is something that I definitely going to consider purchasing, putting a small position. But again, remember, these are penny stocks, so please remember, when you're dealing with penny stocks, these are volatile, so make sure you have a plan to get in and plan to get out. Do your stop loss. Again, not a financial advice, but I always have a plan to get in and get out and then come back in, rinse and repeat. Next on the list is, hopefully I'm going to pronounce this right, Canaan, ticker symbol CAN. It is a leading provider of supercomputing solutions, distinguished for superior, cost efficient, and performance. So what really attracted me about this is that they are renowned for having invented the world's first ASIC powered Bitcoin mining machine in 2013. So as you can see, Bitcoin is starting to get more and more mainstream. So I think this will be, in my opinion, a major player somewhere down the line. Okay, so they provide specialty software. The company develops supercomputing chips for digital blockchain computer equipment. So now if we look at the chart, if we look at the financials, total assets is about 991. Total liabilities is 298. Now if we look at the debt, is 150. So those are the balance sheet. Now if we look at the top institutions, on December 30th, about 23 of the institutions hold it. FMR bought about 2 million. Invesco bought about 1 million. Look down more, you got some other institutions holding it. So now if we look at the chart, again, this is the 1 month chart. As you can see, beautiful upward trend. Definitely liking this trend going up. The volume is pretty steady, as you can see. The MACD has crossed over here, and it also crossed over here. It's on an upward trend. The Rizzo is looks like it's going back down here. So I'm definitely liking how the chart looks like. Definitely going to take a look at this and see if this is something, again, that I'm going to put a position in. Last on the list is 111 Inc. The ticker symbol is YI. It operates as a digital mobile healthcare platform. So again, definitely for something for you to check out. So now if we look at the Yahoo Finance, as you can see, based on the holdings, there's about 32 of them. September 29, Totem Point Management bought about 958. Artel Group bought about 650. Renaissance Technology bought about 290, and then BlackRock bought about 207. So interesting companies, interesting institutional holdings. Now if we look at the chart, if we're looking at the 3 month chart, as you can see, again, it is starting to go up. It went a little bit too fast in here, but the volume is starting to pick up. If you look at the MACD crossed about this. It's an upward trend. The Rizzo is in the is in the area that I usually look at. Definitely interested in this one too. I think this one has some potential. So with that said, definitely thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. You don't want to miss out on some of the videos that I've seen. While you're staying, definitely go check out some of these videos. You don't want to miss out on some of these stocks that I did a video prior to that. Some of them are really winners in my opinion. As always, please remember, these are penny stocks, so always make sure you do your research, do your due diligence, have a plan of to come in and then come out as always, please be safe out there. Stay cool. Keep investing. And I'll catch you guys on the next video, all right? Aloha.